Hello guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we're gonna challenge you to implement a greeting application. Okay, let's explain to you what our challenge is. In this challenge, we have to take two inputs from a user, person name and country name. In this application that you wanna create, you have to get their name first, then ask the user to enter the country they belong to, and finally show where the user is from with a message. For example, the message should be something like, John is from USA. Jump in and take that on. Then, once you've done that, we'll see you back here and go through it together. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully, you did that challenge. Let's dive in and see how to achieve that. First of all, let's ask the user to put their name. So, console.write, what's your name? Now, to take the name from a user, we have to use the readLine method, which is a member of a console class. So, let's declare a variable for their name and take it by readLine method. Now, let's do the same for their country. And finally, let's display a message in the terminal. Now, let's check it out. As you can see, the application works fine. Alright. This is a greeting application, so let's say hi to them. We think this is a good place to say hi. Okay, if our code isn't formatting properly, we can fix it by holding Shift and Alt and pressing F. Let's test it out again. As you can see, our application is better now. Alright, the challenge is done. Now let's give you a brief explanation of these codes. In line number 6, we ask the user to put their name. Because we wanna put the question and answer in the same line, we use the write method. In line number 7, we took the name from the user. As we told you, whenever we wanna take input, we have to use the readLine method, as we did here. This line of code waits to take input from a user in the terminal and store it in a variable. Lines number 8 and 9 are the same as line number 6 and 7. And finally, in line number 10, we used the WriteLine method to display the message in the terminal. Since we don't want any text after this message, we used WriteLine method because this method adds a new line character after the message. Alright, see you in the next lecture.